Yeah. So we're good. Get ready to cool off, and then suddenly, yeah, we're not gonna do a long walk because, so yeah.
Those are the ones today, they say hi to us.
See you later, Miss Holiday. Hey guys, so sorry I couldn't come in at 2:45 or 2:55 because we had a guy over who can come fix the garage. But today is day 2, so yeah, we're back on schedule today. But well, the guy who was talking to my mama said that she couldn't fix the garage door opener, so it just broke and burned up.
Bruh.
What? Burned up?
Yeah, the garage door was burned up. So guys, the garage door was burned up.
What, the wires? The wires are burned up?
No, the garage door is. Guys, the wires are not burned up. It's just the garage door. Well, you guys, just a second, Hunter. Well, guys, the garage door is burned up. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna need a new garage. So I need a new garage door opener because the one that we had, yeah, it's broken. So guys, my mom is gonna keep it till Tuesday, and unfortunately, yeah, we're gonna need a new garage door opener. So yeah, that's why we need to get a new one. Well, guys, since the time is now like, I don't know, I'll show you my time. It's 4:08 right now, so I told Hunter that I could stay for 3 hours, just like 7 o'clock. But yeah, well, guys, we'll see y'all out. Oh, and guys, before we see y'all out there, Miss Kreiner's daughter works at a steakhouse downtown, so yeah. But I'm not gonna tell the location, so that's all. So yeah. Well, everybody, we will all you people see you out there. See ya. Hi guys. So my friend Kate has got a golden hair. He was my age for his birthday. And did you know that my teacher by the name of Miss Kreiner has got a new dog named Winnie? Yeah, it's cute. Well, guys, it is 4:09 now, and we will all see you out there. See you soon.
Look your hair! And, well, unfortunately, the video's not ended yet. Sorry about that.
Yeah.
We're still vlogging.
Sorry about that, guys. I did not mean to say see ya, but I apologize for this, and it just won't happen again. Well, guys, I will say see ya at the end of the video, but we'll
not the end of the video yet.
Well, we're gonna keep track of time, so yeah. Well, guys, we'll see you outdoors.
Look your hair!
I know, look at my hair. What up?
Nothing much. Hoy with it. Yep. That's the charger.
I'm just gonna grab a drink. I wasn't gonna block. Beep beep. Alright guys, I'm gonna get a drink real quick.
We went outside.
Alright,
Hey
guys.
So,
Hold on, wait.
Mr. Holiday just got back every day on this license plate. So cool. So is it okay? So we don't mind if we pull over right here.
So yeah.
I'm a park when we get close right here.
Alright, come on. Let's stop right here. Stop right here.
Here, I'll turn around.
There.
Hey guys, so listen. My friend Jake is he blocked us.
Let me explain about what's going on with my friend Jake. So 3 days ago, me and Noah we were calling Jake like 8100 times, but Jake did not answer the phone. So I do believe that he might be mad at us. So he probably blocked me and Noah on our contacts list, or he deleted me and Noah contacts list on iMessage. I don't know if we did something wrong to blow up Jake's phone, but my friend Noah loves blowing up phones on iMessages for no reason sometimes. But we had no idea what happened to Jake's phone. But I do believe that maybe he needs a break or something. Anyways, back to the video.
Because he was mad a little something. But I have a friend named Scotty who can help us out. But at least my friend Scotty's gonna text Jake right now and see what he can do about it. But anyways, we're out on the walk right now, and Mr. Holiday just saw us in his car, so we were like, we're gonna wait for him over here. But
Because,
I
well,
don't
because,
know. Go ahead.
well, because, well, because I don't know if Jake is actually mad at us, but I don't know, because I think we call him too much, but we should have never done that. But so we had to give him a full apology to Jake, so it won't happen again. So yeah, me and Noah, we actually called Jake way too much, because yeah, I think he got mad at us, so he decided to call it a day, or did he just delete our content? I don't know what's going on. So, hey Jake, if you're watching this, we just want to say that we were so sorry for calling you too much. Can you please accept our apology? Thank you, Jake. All right, back to Noah.
All right, guys. Well, Hunter just a full apology to Jake for what we did, but at least it won't happen again. So Jake, if you're listening to this, dude, I just want to say that we're so sorry for what we did, but yeah, but at least everything's good. But hang on. See you later, Mr. Holiday. Anyways, as I was saying. So will you forgive us? Thank you. Anyways, guys, we're gonna get moving.
Alright.
Hey guys, so we were out on the walk, and then Hunter saw his friend Alex on a back. Then Alex, then he bike just passed, and then Alex's bike just passed us, and I'm like, what's going on? I'm like, I don't know. Well, guys, stay tuned.
Nah. Got my air horn. What, you want to do it?
Yeah,
Just hold it upright. Whoa.
There you go, Hunter. All right, Justin Bieber.
Yeah. All right, now. Ooh. Yeah. Come on.
Sorry.
There's Evie over there. You can see. So yeah.
All right, guys.
No, don't honk at them. So yeah. So what?
Hey guys, so there was a sign for mowing service, but I ain't gonna worry about that, so we're good.
Whoa. That was loud.
And that was the air horn blew into the camera, you guys. But we're all good. See all the house.
Nah. Gotta stay. Gotta stay. So what?
Nothing. Well, guys, I just didn't need none. But we're out on a walk now. Hey guys, did you know that Hunter's dad's off early? Yeah. Well, guys, we'll see y'all at Hunter's.
Nah. You told me that. Alright guys, we'll see you at the house.
Hey guys, so we just got back on the walk, but we were just getting ready to pull off, and then suddenly Jerry, Hunter's dad, wants Hunter to come to the living room and said, Hunter, and then Hunter said, yeah, and then Jerry said, we have a tornado warning coming to close us. And then Hunter says, oh, I see. Well, thanks for reminding us. And then, after Hunter was done, he went down to chill. Yeah. Well, guys.
Well, it's not nearly close. It's still far away.
Well, guys, not nearly close. We're still far away. So yeah. Well, guys, we're watching the video that Hunter just filmed. Yeah. It was premiered today at 3. Yep. And because today at 3, I was at home. because we had a guy over. See if we can get the garage door fixed, but it says it's too broke to be fixed at. So we're gonna need a new door opener. So yeah.
Oh, sorry.
So it's okay, Hunter. I appreciate your better apology. Anyways, guys, well, the garage door is like 20, I don't know, 26 or 5 or 20 years old, I think. Yeah. Well, we're gonna get a new garage door opener soon. And my mother wants to keep the old one till Tuesday. So yeah. Well, the garage door is already broken, burned up. Well, guys, we're gonna chill here for a few minutes, and yeah, I'm just over here for 3 hours. Well, guys, we're gonna chill here for a few minutes, and I don't know what else we're gonna do. I don't know, but we'll think about it. Well, guys, we're gonna chill here for a few minutes. All right. Thanks, everybody.
Back outside.
Hey guys, so Hunter told me that we're not gonna do a long walk because it's gonna rain outside. So, but at least we hear the train. So yeah, it was CSX freight train just came by from Hunter's neighborhood. So yeah, like I said before, we're not gonna walk that long because it's gonna rain. So yeah. Well, when it rains, we will hurry back. So we will give y'all updated. All right, see ya.
No, the video's not over yet. That's the neighbors over there. 2 people. Those are the ones that they say hi to us.
See you later, Miss Holiday. Keep y'all updated.
Alright, Noah.
We'll turn around here.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we gotta have to walk back because it's gonna rain soon. So yeah, but yeah.
Just kidding.
Let me have a go over there, air horn.
No, I got it.
All right.
Oh. Okay, there. Here.
Hey guys, so we're on our way back to Hunter's house right now, and then, and at least I heard the train. So did Hunter. It 6:35 to Doswell, right on time. Anyways, but we're gonna be inside now. See ya.
Nah.
Back inside the house.
Hey guys, so we just got back before the rain started. So yeah. Well, my mother's gonna be here a few minutes. So yeah. Well, I believe she just does say that she's gonna get me around 7. So, well, Hunter doesn't mind about my mother coming in a few minutes early. So, yep. Well, guys, day 2 is done, so we did it.
Yeah.
But tomorrow will be day 3.
And then on Sunday, everyone will be coming over.
Yeah, that means Evelyn will be coming over to Hunter's house on Sunday, which means it's day 4. So yeah.
Look at your hair, Noah.
I know. Look at my hair. What up?
Nothing much.
Yeah. Well.
No, it's not. 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 Whoa!
Go ahead. What's going on?
I pulled a wire.
You just pulled the wire, dude.
No.
Alright, go ahead, continue and say, no, it's not.
No.
Come on.
No, it's not.
Alright, ready? Go.
No, it's not. 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 Oh.
Alright, guys, so we're outside now, and my mother just got here a few minutes early to pick me up. So, yeah, before 7. Like, well, it's 3 hours. Well,
Whoa.
another third hour just came by. And what is that back there? Probably nothing. Well, guys, it's gonna rain here in a few minutes, so that's why.
Oh, I hear thunder. We gotta
Well,
be quick.
Yeah, well, I hear thunder now. Well, guys, we hear thunder now, so I gotta race to the car. So yeah.
Who's texting you?
Huh? That was my mommy. That was your mommy paying. Anyways, well,
What'd she say?
she says bye.
Okay.
Well, guys, I gotta race the car, okay? Well, that's all we have for today. Until the next day, please subscribe Howard Boys channels, click on the bell, press the like button, and turn on all notifications. We will see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.
Peace out.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Who's writing?